The armorer on the movie Rust is breaking her silence.
Gorence has had 2 people accidentally shot on a movie set by a prop gun. We need help immediately.
1 week after Alec Baldwin fired a gun on set that accidentally killed cinematographer Halyna Hutchins and injured director Joel Souza, the film's armorer, Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, is speaking out. Her attorneys tell ET that she is, quote, devastated and completely beside herself over the events that happened. And it's important to note that she was responsible for the safety and handling of firearms on the set.
It was improper for them to have guns on set that were capable of firing live ammo, and it was inappropriate and unsafe to have live ammo on the set. So these are the first 2 ways in which this production went astray.
Gutierrez-Reed's attorneys tell ET that safety is her #1 priority on set. Quote, ultimately, this set would never have been compromised if live ammo were not introduced. The attorneys also claim she has no idea where the live rounds came from. Quote, Hannah and the prop master gained control over the guns, and she never witnessed anyone shoot live rounds with these guns, and nor would she permit that. Hannah still, to this day, has never had an accidental discharge. The first one on this set was the prop master, and the second was a stuntman after Hannah informed him his gun was hot with blanks. Her attorneys say the production became unsafe due to various factors, including the lack of safety meetings, and they insist it's not Gutierrez-Reed's fault. Earlier this week, ET spoke with firearms expert Steve Wolf, who provided insight into how an accident like this could have been prevented.
Don't bring guns on the set that you can put bullets into. Don't have live ammo on the set. And most importantly, don't point a gun at someone who doesn't pose a threat to you. So if you don't point a gun at someone, you're not endangering them, you're not risking shooting them.
According to an affidavit obtained by ET, Baldwin was told by assistant director Dave Halls, who handed him the gun, that it was safe to shoot, and he did not know the gun was loaded with live rounds. Santa Fe County Sheriff Adon Mendoza said during a press conference on Wednesday that Gutierrez-Reed, Halls, and Baldwin are the main focus of the investigation into the death of Hutchins.
Only the armorer or the prop master should ever hand the weapon to anyone on set, because that person is responsible for knowing the condition of the gun, verifying it themselves, and then passing both the gun and that knowledge to the next person, who should then also open the gun, validate what they've been told before they close the gun and use it in a scene.
A source tells ET that the actor is devastated. Quote, he is still processing everything and dealing with a lot of grief and shock. Meanwhile, no charges have been made in regards to the accident, and the investigation remains open and active. Legal commentator Nancy Grace spoke with ET about the latest developments in the investigation and explained why the case may take a long time to understand and possibly bring to court.
This is not a whodunit. We know who done it, Alec Baldwin. But was it his fault? I believe the investigation is going to focus on who handed him the weapon. We already know that from eyewitnesses. It was the assistant director, David Halls, who put the ammo, the bullet, in the gun. Why did Halls reportedly call out cold gun on the set, which means it's safe? The Santa Fe County District Attorney has indicated that this is a very complex case, and that is not unusual. Many cases are very complex, but the complexity of this case revolves around the ballistics, the number of ballistics, ammunition, rounds, blanks, prop guns, legit, real operational guns lying around on the set, compounded with so many witnesses.